times. Old times से circular economy चली आ रही है. Like
Hi everybody, my name is Komarjeet Panesar and we are back with the Sustain Stitch series, a podcast powered by Rent and Attire. And today I have with me Ms. Komal Kare Joshi. She is a founder of two leading companies in Indore, Go Luxurious and Inmo Indore Moms. So hi Komal, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for inviting me over.
Our pleasure.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell us something about these two companies that you have?
Yeah, this is Komal Kare Joshi. I'm the founder of Inmo Indore Moms. Basically, it's a community of mothers of Indore, whereas we have like 50,000 mothers connected through a social media group. And we call it a happy mom project because we feel if mom is happy, the family will be happy and the entire nation will be happy. So we call it a happy mom project, whereas we keep giving them much deserved break in life to do something, to achieve something. We always say, take a break after pregnancy and come back to your career. Do something for yourself.
Understood.
And apart from that, I have my own company that is a travel company named Go Luxurious. We are basically into travel and tours. We do organize package tours like domestic, international. We are dealing with visas, foreign exchange.
Understood.
So yeah, this is it. And if I talk about my educational qualification, I am MBA in tourism management.
Okay.
I did my master's in tourism, and I am also a French certified person. And yes, I was working with good MNCs like Cox and Kings and SOTC earlier.
Okay.
But after bliss happened, motherhood happened, and I had to take a break from my career. So
you started your Go.
I started working from home, like being a very workaholic person. I couldn't sit at home, so I started this Go Luxurious tours. I started taking clients and I started doing bookings. This is how it all happened. But then gradually my husband got transferred to Lucknow. I was in Indore, and so UP and MP ka culture, if you see, there's a 360-degree difference.
Absolutely.
So I was like, again I had to start from scratch. So I just thought there itself that there will be so many females, there will be so many mothers who must be going through the similar thing which I am doing. Like after taking a break, once they get married, they take a break. Then they again take a break for their careers. When they become mother again, they have to start every time. They have to start from zero. So that was the reason I started this community named Inmo Indore Moms. Whereas I thought, yes, motherhood के बाद भी life है. उसके बाद you should always take a break and there's always a comeback. So that was the reason we started with this community, and it, by grace of God, it went well.
50,000 is
50,000, yeah,
is a big number.
Yeah.
Is a big number.
Yeah. Now we are Central India's largest mothers community.
Wonderful.
And we are having a very strong presence on social media.
No, so I think what you are doing is a big thing because as the old adage goes, the child is what the mom is.
Yes.
So a happy mom means a happy child.
Happy child.
And that would be a good big contribution from your side towards the society.
Thank you so much.
Great. Wonderful. So coming to our first question, what notable innovations have you seen in the realm of recycling and sustainability in the industry? If you could give some examples from what you have been doing.
I would say the most strong thing which is like most notable achievement is the rising of eco-friendly accommodations. If I talk about travel industry.
Travel industry, yes.
You can see there are so many hotels, they are using eco-friendly, the designing, the decor and everything, they are taking care of that thing. Even the government is putting a lot of pressure and they are taking a lot of initiative to use solar energy. So every hotel is using that. If we say more of natural lights ka use ho raha hai hotel mein.
The building material itself.
Yeah, solar powered and solar energy efficient designs.
Absolutely.
So this is what it is, what I feel hotel industry में एक बहुत बड़ा change लेके आया है. And if we talk about events, because since we have a community, we keep doing online and offline events. So if we talk about that thing, yes, even if we talk about decor, काफी सारे reusable products का आजकल use हो रहा है. We are more of a paper or more of reusable things which we are using in our decor also, which can be reused. So yeah.
So that's nice. Small contributions.
Yes.
It helps.
Even we tried. Recently we did one event whereas we have used like entire setup, entire decor was made of paper instead of using plastic, and that can be reused again and again.
Here's a great example of what an individual or a small community can do. As they say, each drop counts. So let's you and me do our contribution towards making this a safer place and saving Earth from all the pollutions. So great job done, Komal. Circular economy is gaining traction globally. So how do you see its principle applied effectively to promote sustainability?
See, basically, if I talk about a circular economy, what is this? Reuse, recycle,
Absolutely.
wherever it is possible. Like if we talk about old times से circular economy चली आ रही है. Like if you remember, earlier there has to be a milk bottle, glass milk bottle, which we used to use. कि वो milk उसमें bottle में milk आता था, उसके बाद हम उसको reuse करते थे.
Correct. Even your Coke bottles were glass.
Yes, were glass. And the same manner, if we talk about old times, कपड़े अगर फट जाते थे या कुछ भी हो जाता था तो we used to get it stitched. Torn clothes, we will reuse.
Correct.
Rather, उसको आप स्क्रैप में नहीं डालते थे. वी यूज टू रीयूज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो हम कहेंगे ओल्ड टाइम से हम लोग के पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इसका हमको एक लेसन हम लर्न कर रहे हैं. बट या समवेयर इट इज लॉस्ट नाउ. बट येस, वी हैव टू हैव दिस. नहीं तो हम अपनी ओल्डर कमिंग जनरेशन के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं पाएंगे.
Now that you said that, I remember in our childhood when we went to get food from outside. So there were small earthen pots. वो जो कुल्हड़ होता है इतना बड़ा, इतने बड़े बड़े होते थे. उसमें वो दाल और सब पनीर and whatever dish you ordered, वो बड़ा बड़ा मिलता था. एंड उसके ऊपर वो न्यूज़पेपर डाल के सूती धागे से उसको बांध के आपको दे देता था. सो ईच पर्सन हैड टू होल्ड वन, नहीं तो टूट जाएगा वो. यू कांट कीप इट. सो यू हैड टू एक्चुअली होल्ड दैट हॉट थिंग इन योर लैप. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर all those parathas and rotis that you ordered with that came in a newspaper, wrapped in a newspaper.
Yes.
So when you came back home, you made a hole in it, put a plant in it and put it outside.
Yes.
So there was no wastage. The thread was kept. We'll tie something in the newspaper also there. So but today it's plastic and styrofoam and also I think we need to get back to our times.
When our mom says, एक यहीं पे मुझे एक example याद आ रहा है. There's an author who wrote a book, Make Your Bed.
Correct.
And that was a bestseller book, one of the bestseller book. When our mother used to tell us कि सबसे पहले उठ के you have to अपना blanket घड़ी करके रखो. You have to fold it. And we never used to listen to her. But when somebody wrote it, we are learning it. Why he wrote that? उसका जो conclusion था, that was कि अगर आप day के first task if you complete it nicely, so all your tasks will be done very nicely in the entire day. So that was the motive behind that thing.
So Komal, let me tell you that being a veteran from the defense forces, all these principles in management have come from the army, from the defense forces. So there, this was said by a general, and he gives a lecture right now also on that.
Okay.
It's there on YouTube. So just see that. Make your bed.
Make your bed. Fold your blanket.
He's in an Ivy League college, and he said my only advice to you is get up and make your bed.
Oh.
It's a nice lecture. Just see it on YouTube.
Sure.
Great. So coming to our last question, rental fashion is gaining popularity as a sustainable alternative. And we are sitting in Rent and Attire, you know how we have done a circular economy here. From your perspective, what advantages does it offer in terms of environmental impact compared to traditional retail models?
रेंटल फैशन का सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज ये है कि ये फास्ट फैशन की डिपेंडेंसी को बहुत कम करता है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से अगर एक क्लोथ को मल्टीपल लोग यूज करेंगे तो अगर हम देखें तो इसमें टेक्सटाइल वेस्ट काफी कम हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एवरी फीमेल, हर किसी का एक ड्रीम होता है एक फीमेल का, दैट यू बाय अ डिजाइनर आउटफिट इन योर वेडिंग. एंड क्या होता है उस आउटफिट का, आई वुड से 95% लेडीज विल अग्री टू दिस कि उस वेडिंग ट्रूजो को हम शादी के बाद कभी भी नहीं पहनते. आई एम टेलिंग यू, कभी भी नहीं पहनते, नेवर एवर. एंड जितना अमाउंट हम उस पर स्पेंड करते हैं, रादर वी कैन गो फॉर अ रेंटेड आउटफिट and we can reuse and we can recycle. So I think मुझे लगता है ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. बहुत ही mindful thinking अगर हम रखें every day, like I always say to my mothers that if entire family is going somewhere on the same route, so rather use one vehicle than having multiple vehicles. Or if you're having आपका office nearby, तो either you can walk down to your office or you can use a bike or something, rather taking car every time. Singapore is working on the same thing.
Absolutely.
So जब तक वेस्टर्न से चीजें नहीं समझ आती है तब तक हमें समझ में नहीं आते. We have to work on that. What I feel.
So I think there's a very good point Komal has brought out here. So brides to be, young girls with the dreams of wearing a designer wear. If you want a Sabyasachi Patra or a Ritu Peri, you know where to come.
Yes. And the best part about it, कि you get more space in your wardrobe.
Absolutely, absolutely.
ये pile up नहीं होगी,
नहीं,
and you will save on money also,
Absolutely.
and but obviously environment friendly तो है, you are saving environment somewhere because carbon waste नहीं हो रहा है. So yes.
So here at Rent and Attire, you get all the designer wear, and what we are talking about, the circular economy and sustainability and all, you can be part of that. So don't spend, come and rent and save the earth.
Yes.
So Komal, thanks a lot. It was a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
we
you.
wish you all the best. You're
My
doing a stellar
pleasure.
job for those 50,000 moms, and I hope that becomes 500,000 very soon.
Thank
and
you.
you become a pan-India company group which is there. So that's a great job you're doing.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
with
My
that,
pleasure.
ladies and gentlemen, we come to an end to the Sustain Stitch series, which is powered by Rent and Attire. We will be seeing you soon. Stay tuned and let's do our bit to save the earth. Thank you.
Somewhere because carbon waste नहीं हो रहा है. So yes.
So here at Rent and Attire.